Now?
Yep, now.
Are we recording?
We
Hello?
are we are recording.
Hey, YouTube.
I'm a little
This
nervous.
is me getting grossed out.
So we are doing a 50-50, and I'm going to be censoring out the stuff obviously, so nothing gets taken off. But this should be interesting.
You talking to me?
We're talking to the YouTube. All
No,
right.
no.
All right. Which one should we start with?
Just
Go up. I saw a hot girl one. That'll
well,
be
you
good.
would want that.
Oh wait, we already saw this one.
You're not supposed to
Refresh
say
the
that.
page.
Okay.
Give the page a good
Okay.
refresh,
Just
Weird.
fucking pick one.
just for good measure.
Okay. There we go. Good measure. And I'm gonna go down the list a little bit. Here we
Okay.
go. Result of jumping out of fence. Man with his new prosthetic arm with a cool design.
Okay. Ah!
Look at that.
Ugh.
I like that.
Joe, you like that? You like that, Joe?
Mm.
Imagine going skateboarding and fucking.
Fuck. That's like a chunk, dude. Looks like a shark took a bite of his arm.
What the fuck? An untreated bed sore. What's a bed sore?
Oof.
An old school.
I don't know, but I don't want to find out. I really don't want to find out.
You let the fucking bed bugs
Give me a
bite.
second. I want to open up a new tab. What's a bed? Bed sore.
I'm looking at your tabs here, and it says watch anime and WWE.
Don't
Yeah, that's all he
ignore that.
does.
All I do is watch anime and watch
Ulcers?
wrestling. Bed sores are ulcers that happen on areas of the skin that are under pressure from lying in bed, sitting in a wheelchair. Man, what if I got a bed sore at one point? Maybe, what if there's one on my back? Alright.
Dude, what the fuck?
Oh! What
That's
the hell
a bed
is it?
sore?
I guess it's a bed sore. Or what the hell is it though? Is it an ass? Or is it a stomach?
Oh,
That's an ass.
It looks like operation.
Oh, he's been laying on the bed for fucking so long. Oh,
That's the equivalency of like when your parents are like, "You're gonna get a sore ass." You keep sitting there.
I know I just broke the rules kind of by not looking, but I couldn't. Oh no, this is gonna be the hand for sure. It's gonna be the hand for sure.
A delicious looking
fuck.
raspberry. What's that word? Soulful?
Souffle.
souffle.
It's like a dessert.
Souffle.
Ugh.
Is that the
Oh,
souffle?
what the hell is that? Is that a vein?
That's literally his hand, like inside of his hand.
Yeah,
That looks like a raspberry souffle to me.
It's definitely not souffle. Is that a vein though?
I think.
I've never seen one of a vein. Kind of looks like the fucking brake wiring on a fucking bike.
You could zoom and enhance if you want.
All right, let's zoom.
How do you enhance?
I forgot. Oh, it's turning blue.
Don't zoom and enhance that. Yeah, please. I was kidding. That was a bit.
I'm the editor. I'm gonna enhance.
Enhance.
Really?
A baby in a sailor suit. A sailor getting his
Okay,
leg
this one, then I have to go get my cat.
Joe, we just started.
Okay, click it.
Look at that! Look at that!
Baby in the sailor suit. Look at him.
It's Joe's baby with his little doll.
That's me, dude. That's me.
I'm not impressed.
That's me.
Look,
Where did they get this picture?
Kevin's so impressed right now. Look at it.
And that's Kevin right beside me.
Oh. Japan and cherry blossom season. Fingers cut off with a table saw.
Ah.
That's what I like to see.
Look at it. Oh man, he's wearing Crocs. Is that Gary?
Whoa, nice Crocs, bro.
Oh, fuck, Gary.
Whoa, whoa.
Dude, I'm surprised
Sweet.
the guy didn't get his fucking toe cut off.
Sweet Crocs, though.
He's going into the doctor's office after handling a goddamn table saw. The doctor's just looking down at his feet. No work boots, just a pair
Yeah.
of Crocs. A pair of fucking Crocs. Hey,
But you
dog,
don't
can
know.
you look
Maybe
at
he
my
put the
hand?
Crocs on afterwards.
Santa
Without
jam-
head. Without head.
Santa jamming to Ed Sheeran. Live life, love, Ed Sheeran.
I mean, what it used to be.
Oh,
Oh,
oh, is that a nip? What? Oh,
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 what
her
the
head's over
fuck?
there.
nice.
What the fuck?
What happened?
I don't know.
There's a lot of questions that could be asked here.
What the fuck?
Oh, is that a nip?
That's weird.
What the fuck?
That was a little bit weird. I don't know. It kind of looks fake.
I'm kind of freaked out now.
What about Easter Sunday on a White House lawn? Or a man who skewered himself into not landing a jump on a bike with no seat?
Oh, fuck, man.
Walking in an emergency with Crocs on and a goddamn bike up your ass.
Oh!
Ooh, those are testicles. For the people who can't see this, his nuts are out of the skin. Completely. Hey, look, it's pulled back. What's this? Vice grips? Like a little pair of vice grips? I thought it was gonna have something to do with his ass. Not his whole fucking ball fall out. Oh my god. But if you kind of look at it for a second, it's no different
Take
than
this
an
off
egg.
the screen now.
Those are like,
Sorry.
those are chicken legs.
couple chicken legs.
Chicken.
All right, we'll do 3 more, Joe, and then we'll stop. Unexpected surprise at gender reveal party. Guy jumps 3 feet and breaks both legs.
How's that not safe work? He's just breaking his legs. It's just injury.
How does he
This might,
only break them on 3 feet?
this might give me some PTSD.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, I've seen this.
Yeah.
Woo! Yeah!
Oh,
Yeah!
Oh, react.
You gotta zoom in on this guy's face. That's
alright,
it.
sorry.
That's a react.
What's the goddamn? Was that Mario?
Mary be going,
Me, Mario.
be going to wrestling, fucking slapping fucking legs. Alright. Infected dog anus or raspberry pie.
Wait, before that, editor, I'm gonna need you to make a funny Mario meme with that guy breaking his legs. Thank you.
Infected dog anus or raspberry pie. Either one of these just kind of would look the same.
Ugh.
What the hell?
Is that the raspberry pie?
I think it is.
No, Kim.
Oh shit! What? It got fleas. Look.
Ah.
Ooh, jeez. Why is? Oh, it's white.
Man, poor dog.
Poor pup.
Poor
Alright.
old pupper.
All right, we got one more.
One last one. Make it a good one.
Okay. Black Forest cake with cherries. Man sliced with internal organs falling
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh, what? His
Is that a
head's in the
baby?
stomach. Wait. Why is his head in the stomach? Oh, this got to be some kind of like cultural stuff.
You got a C-section.
This looks like some kind of like Dark Souls character.
It does. It looks like a boss. All right. So that's the end of our Reddit 50/50.
Can we show any of this?
No, we can't.
It's all gonna be blurred.
Yeah.
That Mario guy's face won't be blurred. I didn't expect us all to get bad 50/50s every time. I'm sorry.
I need a cigarette.